What is up, F45 fam? Coach David here. I wanted to let you guys know that we are super pumped that you guys are back into the studio. Our mission here at F45 is to do three things. Number one, make sure that you guys get an effective workout, an efficient workout, and most importantly, a safe workout. So right now, during these times, we are following in line with local safety guidelines to ensure your safety while you crush your workout. So we have increased temperature checks. We have increased disinfecting during, before, and after our workouts, and of course, 6x6 social distancing. So right now we have our F45 squares. The moment you're inside your square, you can go ahead and take that mask, pop it off, so that way you can work out comfortably here at F45. The moment you step out of your square, please put that mask on, or else one of our amazing coaches is going to challenge you to a burpee competition. Guys, you don't want that to happen after you crush a workout with us. So take that mask, place it on, let's be safe, and let's get these 2020 fitness goals. Come on, team.